What's up guys? Greg with PizzlesTechTime back again with another video. And today we're going to be looking at another Dyson fan, but this one is actually going to have heating capabilities as well as cooling. And this is my little cat Camilla. She's already ready to run away, so say hi Camilla. Say hi. Say hi. I can see nothing but cat hair flying around my office today, but that's just fine. Right now, I was able to purchase this Dyson fan. So this actual fan is going to do, as it states, hot and cool, and it's going to do a jet focus stream where it can focus on a person or it can branch out and warm the entire room. So I think this one's pretty cool. I purchased it for $279. It came to about $290 with tax. It was about the same price that Brittany paid for the AM07, although I can control that one with an application and it has Wi-Fi. So I was a little bummed out that this one's not going to have Wi-Fi, as we already are controlling the fan with Alexa. I'm just going to use this in the office and maybe for heating some small rooms around here. And then in summertime it doubles as a fan. So you really can't lose. You're getting to use this product year round. Now guys, look, I know Dyson products aren't cheap and I know not all of you guys can afford them. But when a sale like this comes up, it might throw it a little more into your budget. Now Dyson makes fantastic products. I have a vacuum from them, I have a fan from them, and now I'm getting this heater slash fan, and I'm super excited. Now this one does not have a filter, so it's not going to filter the air like the other fan does. They do have a model of a heater that does filtering and it has Wi-Fi, but that one is $479 with Black Friday savings, so just imagine how much it is regularly. It's $599, guys. That's a lot for a fan slash heater combo. I don't have that kind of money. For the $479 it was tempting, but I was really crunched for time when I was in there shopping. So this is what I've got, and I'm ready to do an unboxing for you guys and test it out, and we're gonna see how well it works. So if this is your first time here, make sure you hit that subscribe button followed by the notification bell so y'all be notified next time I drop a video. We're gonna get right into this because this is Tech Time with Pizzle, or as I say it, Pizzle's Tech Time. So let's get down and see what comes inside this box. So we're here in front of the Dyson Hot and Cool Jet Focus. The model number is AM09, and it is possible to focus the heat onto one subject, or you can focus it on 3 different people, as the picture shows, or it diffuses for a wide projection to mix the surrounding air. So it says it heats you in winter, cools you in summer, effective all year. Now this is powered by Dyson's air multiplier technology, which we all know and love. And if you haven't watched my last video, I'll leave a link for it above. With Dyson, you always get a really nice package, a very detailed instruction manual that we will look through later. Now inside right here is going to be the base of the fan with the remote, I would assume. Open this bad Larry up like so. Yep, this looks like the base of the fan and a remote. And the remote is very nicely taped right to the base like this, so impossible for you to lose that. Use special tape so it doesn't do any damage to the plastics or anything. That's awesome. Thanks Dyson. So we'll take that base, put it down, and we'll take a quick look at this remote here. So the remote has a slick rubberized feel. It feels really nice. I really like the color. Right here is in front of the remote, the infrared. It's curved so that your thumb fits perfectly on these buttons. So I'm telling you, Dyson really does think of everything. You go from heat to cool, and you can change the temperature, speed of the fan, timer, make the fan oscillate, and these are the 2 different modes that it explains on the front of the box. The bottom of the box opens up like it's so easy for you to take this out. Okay, so we're gonna do that. It's quite heavy. Okay, so let's move this. And okay, so on the bottom we've got some more tape here. This is going to be your power plug. Take it out here. Now every little detail is thought through by Dyson, so even the power cord is wrapped up neatly with a zip tie. And I'll tell you, Dyson, they are amazing. They are amazing. I love their products. Look at this. They put a little anti-humidity thing there. Don't eat it. Okay, now we've got the fan itself without the base on it, and you can see that the fan is a rubberized texture itself, and it looks very nice. So let's see how easy it is to put this base on, shall we? Okay, so we're just gonna pick it up like so, and I'm guessing it just kind of turns in. Yep. Dyson, they make everything so easy, guys. It's unbelievable. Okay, so the plug itself is actually a non-polarized plug. So just in case that was a concern of yours, it's not. So a crazy thing that's happening is every time I turn this on for some reason, the smoke alarm is going off in my apartment. So let's see if it happens again. It goes up to 99 degrees. Wow. This thing is crazy. So this is on the personal heat. Now if I turn it on to the widespread, you can see that the fan actually revs up a little bit. And when I turn it to the personal, wow. Very, very interesting. And I'll tell you, it's heating up like crazy. At first it did smell a little funny, but now it kind of went away, and I'm gonna have to do a little more testing on this, and I will get back to you guys. What's going on, guys? Greg here, and right about now I've been using this Dyson fan here for over 2 weeks now. You probably understand that I really love these fans. So this is Dyson Hot Cool, and the other one is Pure Cool Link. So no Pure and no Link. Sure, I'd like the other one. I think it serves a great purpose, purifying your air, as well as the capability to use Wi-Fi. I think that's pretty awesome. So now this remote right here, some of the same basic functions as the other remote. Okay guys, so right now I'm going to just press power on the fan. So you can actually move the fan up and back. So if you want the blades pointing up, you can do that. Or you can put it in its normal position right there. Now I've noticed when you have the fan up like this, it is a little bit more difficult when you're pointing the remote down. Press the fan on like that. And you can change the temperature. It goes all the way down to 33 degrees. Okay, this is as high as the fan goes. It's on 10, and we'll turn it down to 8. Thing works very well. Still actually putting out a little bit of warm air. Go from cold to heat, but just by pressing that. And you can adjust the temperature from 99 degrees all the way down to 32. I don't know what the purpose of going down to 32 is, because I don't know. But anyways, I keep it around 80 to 90, and I think that provides the best heat. So you can put it on 90 and then turn the fan all the way up to 10, and you guys can hear what this fan actually sounds like. I usually keep it in the general area heat, but I do like this direct heat. If you're cold, you can just turn it on. And I can say that this thing heats the room very well. I haven't used this as a cooling fan because it's winter time in Boston right now, so there's really no point in using the fan. But I have turned the purifying one on a few times. And like I said, guys, I do wish that the purifying model was a little bit cheaper for Black Friday. It was $4.79. This one was $2.79. So that's a pretty big price gap, if you ask me. Do I think it's worth it if you have the money? Yeah, sure, it's worth it if you have the money. Almost $500 for a fan is getting a little out of control. The same goes for their vacuums. Once the new model comes out, these models get cheaper, and that's basically what you'll see online is the older fans cheaper, and the newer fans a little bit knocked down, but still very expensive. Now I think Dyson makes fantastic products. I love their products. These fans are just a little bit expensive and out of reach for a lot of you guys, but if you're looking for a heater, a substitute would be an electric fireplace. This fan heats the room significantly. I think it's for a smaller room though. I wouldn't expect it to heat a whole house or anything like that. Every time I turn the fan on, she wants to run over to it. So guys, if you have the money, I think this Dyson fan is an awesome buy. And Camilla likes it too. She likes to sit over by the fan. And we both are really enjoying using it. And I think it'll heat a small to medium sized room. So we got an electric fireplace in the living room. And we've got this bad boy for the office or my bedroom, whichever I would like to use it for. I already explained the remote to you guys. It goes on the top with a little magnet, very convenient. The one thing this is missing is Wi-Fi control as well as air purification, which is awesome to have. once you don't have voice control, it kind of sucks. The other one is voice control. So if you have the money, I would definitely suggest getting the model up from this. And if you don't, and you don't need Wi-Fi or air purification, I think this one works just fine. So if you found this video helpful, guys, make sure you subscribe and hit the like button. It greatly helps my channel out. I'm trying to grow this into something big here. And with your help, I can take PizzlesTechTime all the way. So thanks a lot, guys. Remember, you can follow me on social media at PizzlesTechTime. And until next week, I'm out.
Yo, it's Greggy, back on the mic, and don't start with me, you don't wanna fight. This YouTube shit, I'll blow up like dynamite, boy. What you tryna fight, boy? You don't know me, you better subscribe quick, or I'ma hit you with a stick, and you're gonna be like, oh, snip. Yeah, that's right, oh snip, you're scared, you better subscribe, cause I have no beard. Yeah, just a few goatees.